Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a DOOGEE V30 for a senior person. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then move to accessibility. Inside there's the display. Here we want to go for text and the display. Change our font size, you'll be able to make it bigger or smaller. I'm gonna make it as large as possible. Then the display size, here you can make everything bigger, like text, icons, buttons, everything becomes bigger when you change those settings, or smaller, depending on what you change. Next is a bold text. When you activate it, all of the font becomes a bit bolder, as you can see. Then there's color correction and color inversion that you can enable or disable. If you need them, activate them. If not, then I would leave them off. We can enable remove animations. This will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. And also a large mouse cursor, I would skip it since I'm not, and probably you won't be using any accessories with it like a mouse. So I'm gonna leave the large mouse cursor off. And high contrast text makes all of the text that it was previously a bit less visible, like you can see large right here. It becomes much more visible. So yep, that's that. We can go back to accessibility, and here I would find magnification. Activate that, you will get this loop icon floating around your screen. Click on it anytime. So this will turn your screen with orange outlines. That means you're in magnification mode. Click anywhere on the screen to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on the loop icon again. And that is all of the settings I would recommend to change on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.